All right, I am so excited to share all this stuff with you. This is all new products that I am going to be creating with in the next few weeks and sharing with you. You will see these available on my website starting in January. Spoiler alert, I opened the box already, if you couldn't already figure that out. But I am going to open the cellophane and see these for the first time with you. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I will be sure to answer them as quickly as possible. If you are interested in more new products that are upcoming, I have another unboxing video that I filmed previously, and I will link it in a card above and below in the details. All right, so let's get started. I think I'm going to start on the left with the big stuff and we'll move to the smaller stuff. So I was super excited about these two embossing folders. They are the smaller ones, the mini ones, but they are 3D. So I think that's really awesome. I would love them as full size, but I will take them as half. So this is the stripes, but it's not just like straight stripes. I think you can see there, they're like jagged and bubbly, and they're just going to add a ton of texture to anything. And then this is Splatter. So this is like, takes the painted texture one to a whole nother level. Just looks like somebody took a paintbrush and just whipped it against a wall. And I am really looking forward to seeing what this does to my cardstock as well. Oh, this is a small item. Let's tuck that here. This one is 2. Let's see what I got in the stamp and die arena. Okay, so I got Amazing Thanks. I showed in the last unboxing video a stamp set that I got for attending a demonstrator only event, and this is the die set that goes with it. So we have had these kind of dies in the past. You can see, I'll just do the U, I guess. So you can see this is the shadow for the U, and then this is the actual lettering for it. And looks like we have thanks, amazing, you, and R. We've got thank you, and you are amazing, and we can mix and match all of that stuff. I'm looking forward to using these. I love when the phrases, I like the font for this phrase, and I also am really excited about the fact that I can mat it with the dies very easily and not use my Stampin' Cut machine. All right, the next set of dies I got, oh, beautiful shapes. Okay, this has a stamp set that goes quote unquote with it. It is in a bundle, but it's not like a stamp set that I felt like I really needed. I think I just said like 16 times. But I love these shapes. How fun are these? They're different. They're not shapes that we necessarily have right now. This is, obviously we have circles, but this circle has like design to it, which is exciting. And then these nested circles are different sizes than the layering circle ones. These also have like a swirl in them, which is super cool. And then we have these hexagon nested dies along with shape cuts for like a half hexagon or a divided hexagon, a divided diamond, 2 diamonds attached and 2 hexagons attached. So that's going to work really well with some of the other products that I will show you in my January order. I do have one more list of things to get, and I am going to be getting those right after the new year. This was the only stamp set that I got in this pre-order. I'm ecstatic about this. I have been missing Itty Bitty Greetings like crazy. It was my go-to greeting set. I love that this is bigger in terms of the font. I absolutely am in love with the font. I enjoy that it's scripted because I think that's right on trend. I think the phrases are a little more on trend, not just your Happy Mother's Day, Happy Father's Day, but like Happy Dad Day, Happy Mom Day with a heart there. I am anticipating using this all the time. If you get cards from me, you will be seeing these. So super excited to be using these. Then let's move on. So we did stamps and dies. Let's do papers. So this set of paper is New Horizons. So this is in the upcoming mini catalog. And this is a 6x6 set. Oh my gosh. Of splatters and nature scenes. Well, I guess they're all sort of supposed to be nature, but some are less vivid than others. And then let's see what's on the back. Whoop. Okay, then this is just even less. So this is not the nature stuff. This is truly just different colors. Lots of, these are definitely leaning towards the newer colors. Wow, this kind of looks, I'm not sure what color they intended. In this light, it's almost got the periwinkle look to it. But anyway, so we've got, that looks like, I'm guessing evening evergreen. I'm not sure which green. That's definitely pale papaya. That looks like a blackberry. Maybe this is, oh, let's just cheat. That's fresh freesia. And I guess they're thinking this one is Misty Moonlight. I'm not sure. I think it's got a little more purple in it. But anyway, evening evergreen, and then there's polished pink. So lots of fun colors in here to use. And then this one is a pack of paper that you can get for free. This is, I think it's called Marbled. Simply Marvelous with a B. How fun is that? So it's all marble papers. This is in the Celebration catalog. So when you spend $50 on an order, you can get this as your free edition. I could see using this for all sorts of stuff. There is not a card you could make, except maybe specific occasions that you wouldn't want to use this. This almost looks like, this side looks more granity, and this side I think looks, it's just two different kinds of marble, but this to me reminds me more of like a kitchen countertop, and this almost feels like wet paint. Just telling you how I feel. All right, so you just have tons and tons of colors. I think these are gonna be great for masculine cards that you need to get done when you're getting all your birthday cards done in the early part of the year. This was a fun set of twine. There's a whole sports bundle that you can get. This is the fan baker's twine, but I just loved that I don't have these colors, and I can always use a red and white because that just goes with everything. So that's why I grabbed this. These are just super cute sequins. What are we calling these? Sparkle and Shine sequin assortment. There we go. But I just loved them for shaker cards and just around on cards. There's some round ones and some stars, some iridescent and some straight silver and some straight white. You could do this with anything. And the other thing I was thinking about is I have a lot of small dies, and I can make confetti out of cardstock, but this is just going to give me a little more filler when I'm making a shaker card. So I loved that. This is also from the fan bundle, I'll call it. That's the theme of it. And these colors are in, there's a designer series paper with it. And these colors are in there: Evening Evergreen, Misty Moonlight, Poppy Parade, and I'm guessing Crushed Curry. But anyway, I think these are fun. You know me, I love a good adhesive backed embellishment, and these stars fit the bill. So those will be great on cards. These are a great little extra layer to pop in. These are the Heart and Home doilies, just because they're in that suite. But we have Cinnamon Cider, we have Basic Gray, and we have Misty Moonlight. A lot of Misty Moonlight in the upcoming papers, embellishments, all that stuff. So super happy about that because I am going to miss it when it's gone. And then the last thing, we've had decorative masks or stencils for quite some time, but this is the first time Stampin' Up! Has done layering ones. What you can do is you can stencil these two together. So this is the base and this is the detail. Again, you can stencil those two together. I think you can even add these to these. They also did it with the layering with the butterfly, and then there's a cool flower there, which goes with this background space here. And all of these would be backgrounds that go with these ones. So you've got this one goes with that. I think we just have to kind of hunt a little bit. And then there's this one here that goes together. So I have 3 detailed flowers across these 2 sheets. And then I have 3, backgrounds to the flowers. And then not only do you have all these 3 layering, but you also have 3 background stencils. So you have this beautiful flower one, which will be really cool. You have more of a fern looking or leaf looking one. And then you have a mosaic, which I think is really cool and will just add a pop of color to your cards. So we have 6 new stencils to play with. And that is the last thing I wanted to show you. So I got the stencils, just to recap, we'll go backwards. I got these fun doilies, the adhesive back star embellishments, sequins, and the baker's twine. And then I got 2 packages of paper. I got the marbled paper that is free with Celebration. And then I also got the New Horizons, which is in the mini catalog. Last but definitely not least, I got a new stamp set, which is Happy and Heartfelt. And then I got 2 new sets of dies. These are the Beautiful Shapes. And this one is, I think it's Amazing Words. Yep, Amazing Thanks. And, oh, and then I got my folders that I showed you at the very beginning. I got the stripes and the splatter folders. So all this stuff will be available to you soon, but I will be making projects with it beginning very soon. So thank you so much for joining me today. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and be sure to ring that notification bell so that you know every time I post a new video.